Students, now equation of polar. How to find equation of polar? See, equation of polar px1 y1 with respect to s equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0. Again I am saying, Nana, please don't confuse. S1 equal to 0 is sometimes is equation of tangent, sometimes it is equation of the card of contact, sometimes it is the equation of the polar also. In this situation, this represent equation of polar. Equation of polar of p x1 y1 with respect to s equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0. Now I want to prove this. Yeah, proof. Listen all of you. This is circle. Now I am taking general case. General case in sense P is exterior of the circle. This is P. Through this you can draw so many lines. Through this point a tangent is drawn. Assume that these two tangents are meet at, say, this is, say, I want to say this is A, B, this is C, this is D, so this is, say, M, this point. Similarly, another tangents are drawn, say this is N. Now we want to show that the equation of Mn, two of the M comma N are two of points on the required line. So now it is enough to prove that the equation of Mn is nothing but S1 equal to 0. Okay, Nana? Same procedure like previous how you proved card of contact. Let M equal to alpha comma beta and N equal to gamma comma delta. So now we want to show that xx1 plus yy1 plus g times of x plus x1 plus f times of y plus y1 will be satisfied by these 2 points. That is our plan. Okay. Important observation. This is the card of contact of M. Observe. Recall the definition of card of contact. Close this all. Through M, tangents are drawn. Point of tangents is through that a line drawn. So this line is becomes the card of contact of M. This line is the card of contact of M. Understood? Okay. Now I want to write like that. The card of contact of M with respect to s equal 0 is, what is that? PAB. I can say PAB line. This is interesting. Okay. You know how to find the card of contact of a circle from a point x1 y1, xx1 plus yy1, s1 equal 0. So x1 stand for alpha and y1 stand for beta here, because through this, for this point only, no, this is card of contact. So card of contact of M alpha comma beta is xx1 x alpha plus y beta plus g times of x plus alpha plus f times of y plus beta plus c equal to 0. This is nothing but this line only, no? On this line B is there, A is there, P also there. P means what is done here? X1 y1, no? P is taken x1 y1 only. So on this line P x1 comma y1 line, that implies x1 alpha plus y1 beta plus g times of x1 alpha plus f times of y1 plus beta plus c equal to 0, equation number 1. This line become the card of contact for the point M. M is treated as x1 y1. This line equation nothing but s1 equal to 0, xx1 plus yy1. x1 stand for alpha and y1 stand for beta. That's why this is the equation of card of contact of M with respect to this circle. So this card of contact, this is the line equation. This line is passing through B, A, P also. So the point P should satisfy this algebraic condition. That's why instead of x I wrote x1, instead of y I wrote y1. I got one result, that is taken as equation 1. Understood plan? Okay. Similarly, this line is the chord of contact of the point N. Observe, through N tangents are drawn. Point of tangents is, through that point a line is drawn, that is called chord of contact. So that one I want to write here. For N, say, comma delta, the chord of contact is, PCD. You know how to find chord of contact of N with respect to the circle S equal to 0. That is S1 equal to 0 only. Xx1 plus y1. X1 stand for gamma. Y1 stand for delta. So I want to write here. Okay, its equation is x gamma plus y delta plus g times of x plus gamma plus f times of y plus beta. So not beta, no, gamma delta plus c equal to 0. Again, on this line, D is there, C is there, P is there. So P should satisfy this algebraic condition also. P x1 y1 is on it. It means on this line. Means what? X1 gamma plus y1 delta plus g times of x1 plus gamma plus f times of y1 plus delta plus c equal to 0. Equation number 2. Same procedure, na? In previous theorem we proved that equation chord of contact, like that same procedure. So observe equation 1 and 2. Observe 1 and 2. See here, from 1 and 2 we can conclude alpha comma beta comma gamma comma delta are the points on xx1 plus yn plus g times of x plus x1 plus f times of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0 only. Understood? Alpha comma beta is a point on this straight line, you know, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. Alpha comma beta is a point on this straight line. Put alpha comma beta. Alpha x1 plus beta y1 plus g times of alpha plus x1 plus f y beta plus y1 plus c. So this value is already got 0. 0 equal to 0 means what is the meaning? On this line alpha comma beta is there. On this line gamma comma delta is there. By using this you can say no. Okay. What is the meaning of this? Alpha comma beta and gamma comma delta, two distinct points are on the same straight line. Means what is that? Through distinct points you can draw a unique straight line, no? So the equation of this straight line is nothing but this. This is nothing but S1 equal to 0 only. Understood? S1 equal to 0. Therefore, equation of polar with respect to point P is nothing but S1 equal to 0 or xx1 plus y1 plus g times of x plus x1 plus f times of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Don't confuse. This is somewhat difficult concept. So S1 equal to 0. Oh, dangerous equation. Sometimes it is acting just like tangent, sometimes it is acting just chord of contact, sometimes it is acting just like polar. Note, already explained. If P is on the circle, then equation of tangent at P is only taken as the polar. Is only the polar of the P with respect to circle. So here circle P is here. Through this point P a tangent is drawn. This tangent only. Already you know that this is x1 y1. You know that this equation nothing but s1 equal 0 only. So this s1 equal 0 only become the polar for the point P. Explain now already. You can draw tangent here meeting point here only. So this is only the polar. So polar is nothing but tangent. Okay students, here one example problem. Find the polar of this point with respect to this circle and this point with respect to this circle. Just like we want to find S1 only. Solution. For first problem, I want to find the S1 for this. Interesting. X square means xx1 plus y square means yy1 minus 9 equal to 0 only. No g times of x plus x1 plus f times of y plus y1. Such terms are not there. This only the s1 equal to 0. This only the equation of polar now. We want to find polar of this point only, no? So that's why instead of x1 you want to write 1, instead of y1 you write 2. So x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. This is the equation of the polar. So for second problem, yeah, s1 equal to 0 should write. That is important. S1, how to write s1 equal to 0? x1 plus y1. Here minus 10x, minus 10x. Minus 10x means minus 5 into 2x. This 2x can be written as x plus x1. That is important. Minus 5 times of x plus x1. Yeah. Plus here also 10y to 5 times of 2y. So 5 times of y plus y1 plus 25 equal to 0. This is s1. Okay. So what is the point now? 1 comma minus 2. Instead of x you want to write 1. Instead of y you want to write minus. So x minus 2y minus 5 into 1 plus x. Okay. Plus 5 times y. This is minus 2. Yeah, plus 25 equal to 0. We need to simplify. X minus 2y minus 5 minus 5x plus 5y minus 10 plus 25 equal to 0. Or x minus x minus 4x. Yeah, plus 3y minus 10 minus 5 minus 15 plus 10 equal to 0. Or 4x minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0 is the required equation of polar. Students, this is important theorem. Finding pole now. Polar is given, circle equation is given. Now you want to find pole. The two circular equation is basic circle is given, not general circle. That is second case. First case is circle is general basic circle. Basic circle is given and polar is given. You want to find pole. Okay. We want to show that this is a pole. Interesting, Nana. Proof for this. This is a circle. What is the circle? Standard circle, no, basic circle, center is 0, 0, radius r. Assume that general case you want to take always. So P is exterior. General case means P is exterior point. Now I want to find the coordinates of P. So already given, this is the equation of polar. Polar is Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. So what are the coordinates? Let the coordinates of P is taken as x1 comma y1. Just take P coordinates are x1 y1. Now you want to find x1 y1. Let P equal to x1 comma y1. Don't see this line. Without using this line, directly you can find the polar of P with respect to circle. Okay. So the polar of P with respect to x square plus y square minus r square equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0. What is s1 stand for here? xx1. Point is x1 y1, no? xx1 plus y1 minus r square equal to 0. This is the equation of, sorry, I can write this is 1. So this is the equation of the polar of P. But in the problem, this is given polar of P. Means what happened? These two are identical lines. But given Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is the polar of P. So say this is 2. Means 1 and 2 are identical. Because this is the polar of P, this is also polar of P. What is the meaning of that? 2 are identical. Means 1 and 2 are identical lines. A1x plus B1y plus C1 equals 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 equals 0 are two identical lines. Then A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2 only. That's why x1 by L equal to y1 by M equal to minus r square constant by n. From this we want to find x1 y1. That's not a big problem, no? Compare this with this. So directly I can say that x1 equal to minus L r square by n. Compare this with this. So y1 equal to minus m r square by n. Therefore pole equal to minus LR square by n, comma minus MR square by n. Who should remember this now? Minus LR square by n, comma minus MR square by n. What is given here? Circular equation is x square plus y square equal to r square. The line equation is Lx plus polar equation is Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. How to remember pole? That is important, no? LR square minus LR square by minus LR square by n constant minus LR square by n, comma minus MR square by n. Example: find the pole of 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal 0 with respect to x square plus y square equal to 9. Yeah, just like this is L, this is M, this is N. This 9 means 3 square, r square means 9 only direct, equal to minus L r square by n minus M r square by n. That is minus L stand for 2 here. Yeah, r square means 9 by n means 4, comma minus m minus of minus plus 3, r square 9 by n means 4. This is equal to 2 ones are 2 the minus 9 by 2, comma 27 by 4. This is the pole of this polar with respect to circle x square plus y square equal to 9.